Hello guys, introduce my name Destina, Information System Study Program. My student ID number 20071012. Okay, I will present a PPT entitled Computer Architecture, Hardware and Software. Okay guys, let's get started. Hardware and software. The most basic division of a computer system is between the hardware and the software. Hardware is often described as the physical parts of a computer, although that is not recommended, especially when the power's on. Software. Software includes all the programming instruction in the computer. There's that main program called the system software, also known as the operating system, which control it interact with the hardware and software component application software or program like Photoshop, Internet Explorer and World of Warcraft. Hardware. Hardware is all types of component on a computer whose physical parts can be seen with the naked eye or can be felt directly. So it can be said the hardware is physical computer equipment that is useful for processing input, processing and output. The main hardware components include the CPU or central processing unit, main memory, secondary storage device and the input and output device. The CPU is a microchip that receives any code instruction from memory. Within a CPU are specialized units. One is the arithmetic logic unit perform operation with number the control unit instruction. The more instruction the can be processed at a time. The processor I have the quad core. That means there are 4 copies of the same transistor circuitry within one chip with 4 cores. My processor can execute 4 times at a time, and if it only had 4. Main memory. The main memory is volatile. That means whatever that data is hardware with the lost power. When a volatile memory need a constant flow of electricity to work, so it's only used for instruction in active use. Otherwise, data is stored in a permanent storage device like that hard drive. A kitchen analogy: hardware, software, data. The hardware of a computer is like a kitchen. It includes all the equipment necessary for cooking food, as well as an energy source and location for performing the process of cooking. The kitchen is where the ideas of a recipe are translated into edible meals. A recipe is like software. A recipe is just a series of written instructions that tell you how to turn raw ingredients into a culinary masterpiece by itself. Its recipe that usually spice or within, but as soon as the recipe interpret and execute, the recipe has a value as a functional tool that can be used again. Software is reasonably that instruction and software control the flow of data. Okay guys, this is the end of my presentation. If there is a mistake when I speak, I'm sorry, and thank you guys.